Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to sell Solana on Phantom Wallet. So, Phantom Wallet is non-custodial wallet designed for Solana and Solana-based tokens. So, it does not have a built-in feature to sell Solana or Sol. So, to sell Sol or Solana, you'll need to transfer it to a cryptocurrency exchange where you can trade it for fiat currency or other cryptocurrencies. So here's how step by step on how to do that. So for step number 1 is to choose a cryptocurrency exchange. Select a trusted cryptocurrency exchange that supports Solana, such as Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, or Qcoin. So these are the logos for reference. So just make sure that you have an account with the chosen exchange and that is verified if required. Now for step number 2 is to copy your deposit address. So log into your cryptocurrency exchange account. So in this example, we're going to be using Binance. And then navigate to the deposit section. Select Solana or Sol as a deposit currency. And then just copy the provided Solana deposit address. For step number 3 is to transfer Solana from Phantom Wallet to the exchange. So just open your Phantom Wallet, go to the Send option, paste the deposit address from the exchange into the recipient address field. Enter the amount of Solana that you want to transfer. And before you can transfer, make sure to review the transaction details and click Send. Wait for the transaction to be confirmed on the Solana blockchain. So here is where you can paste the wallet address that we copied from the Binance. Then here is the amount, and then just have it up on next. For step number 4 is to sell Solana on the exchange. Once the Solana reaches your exchange account, go to the trade or sell section. Choose Solana or Sol as the assets to sell, and then select the currency that you want to receive, like for example USD, EUR rather, or other cryptocurrency. And then just enter the amount of Solana that you wish to sell and review the transaction and confirm the sale. So you just have to do it in here and where you can sell it. And lastly is to withdraw the funds. So for fiat currency, if you sold Solana for fiat currency, withdraw the funds to your bank account or payment method linked to the exchange. For cryptocurrency, if you traded Solana for another cryptocurrency, you can hold it in your exchange wallet or transfer it to another wallet. And that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!